Welcome to another episode of Gill Construction Solutions Ask Annie. We had a question submitted last week. How long should I expect it to take to receive an estimate? That's a really great question. As we've talked about previously, estimates are a ballpark figure usually based on similar projects completed by a contractor. The time it takes to receive that estimate back can vary depending upon lots of factors. Is the project similar to a previously completed project, or is it totally different? Are there many factors involved or variables? Contractors wear a lot of different hats. Not only are they preparing estimates for prospective clients, but they're ordering materials, checking on crews, going to work sites. You kind of get the picture. They wear lots of different hats. And this impacts their calendar and scheduling of calls, return calls to clients to give them those estimates. Most contractors want to get that investment information to you quickly. Usually within a week to 2 weeks. However, this past year where we saw businesses swamped with requests for estimates, it could have taken as long as 3 to 4 weeks to get that estimate back. Most companies like ours have worked through those requests as they were submitted and tried to get back with clients as quickly as possible. We're excited because we're going to be providing pricing options on our website for projects like full kitchen and full bath renovations to help you with your planning and to knowing what that investment will look like, so you don't have to wait a week or 2 weeks to get that ballpark estimate to help you begin planning. So take a look at our website, Gill Construction Solutions LLC, and look at the pricing for some of your upcoming projects. As always, we're still available for you to call and set up a time for us to call you back and work and discuss your upcoming project, because it might not be listed on our website. Please leave a comment or question below and consider liking or sharing today's episode with others. I'm Annie Good, and I look forward to bringing value and insight to your projects. Have a great week.